শুরু করো।
Hello, dear students. Good morning to all. This is Rumi Saha, and I welcome to all in our first online class for Standard 1 subject Mathematics. I think all of you are safe at your home. I hope so. I also know that you are passing a tough time at your home because we didn't going to school and playing out of home since last 2 months. But perhaps you all know this is the very bad period, all of us. Maybe all of you heard the name of COVID-19 virus. This is like a very bad monster. If we go out of our house, the virus will maybe attack us. So, nobody won't go outside of the home and wash your 2 hands by the soap for minimum 20 seconds, or not sanitize your hands by the hand rub. Is it clear, students? Okay? Though we can't go to school, so we have started our online class from today. Okay, my dear students? Can I start? Okay, let's start. Take your elementary math book, page number 52, number 9. Okay, can I start now? At first, I am reading the story. This is our elementary math book, page number 52, and the num is 9. Okay, I am starting to read the story. Ronnie have 5 story books. Ronnie has 5 story books. Rumi has 3 story books. Rumi has 3 story books. How many story books do they have together? How many story books do they have together? Do you know what is storybooks? Yes, we all have storybooks in our house. We read these books in our leisure time, isn't it? And we heard the story from our mummy, papa, our grandmother, etc. Isn't? Okay, student, we are going to solution our problem. Okay, let's start. Page number 52. And number is 9. Ronnie has 5 story books. Again, Ronnie has 5 story books. Rumi has 3 story books. Again I am reading. Ronnie has, we know, 5 story books. And Rumi has 3 story books. Total, they have. Who have, my dear students? They have. Who are they? Ronnie and Rumi. Together, they have 8 story books. 5 and 3. 5 sticks and 3 sticks. We can solve it here. 5 and 1, 2, 3 is all together 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's right. Total they have 8 story books. Is it clear, students? I think it's very clear to you. Ronnie has 5 story books and Rumi has 3 story books. Total they have. Here have for they are total. They are 2 men, Ronnie and Rumi. So here will be have. And story books. After books you must have to write the full stop. Answer, you should write clearly answer 8 story books. Answer 8 story books. We will write here again 8 story books. Okay? Can we go next one? Can we go for next one? Again page number 52 and number is 10. Number is 10. Beanie had 8 pencils. We all have pencils. We know the pencil very. We like this pencil. We like our pencils. We write with pencils. Okay, it is very known to us. Beanie had 8 pencils. Here we had right had. Had that means had is we have had. This is the past. His father gave him 2 more pencils. Whose father? Beanie's father. Whose father? Beanie's father. Here Beanie is a boy, so we can write here his. His father gave him 2 more pencils. His father is very good man, so he has given him 2 more pencils. So, how many pencils does Beanie have now? How many pencils does Beanie have now? Beanie had 8 pencils. We heard. Father gave him 2 more pencils. Okay. Father gave him 2 more pencils. How many pencils does Beanie have now? We must have to. What will be there? Additions. It will be additions problem. So, we are going to solve our problem. Let's start. Number 10. Beanie had 8 pencils. Father gave 2 pencils. Here we can write here 2 more. Father gave 2 pencils more. If you want, you can write it. Otherwise, you can skip it. No problem. Binny had 8 pencils. Father gave 2 pencils more. Total, here Binny is not a boy, a girl. He is a boy here. So we can write total he has. Who has? Binny. Binny is not here a girl. He is a boy. So total he has 10 pencils. Answer will be very easy. 10 pencils. Is it clear? Total he has. Who has? Binny has 10 pencils. Answer 10 pencils. Okay? Dear students, again welcome a new problem. This is very known to us. This is called additions. We all love additions, and in past time we have done our addition without carrying. But from now we are going to solve our addition by the carrying. Okay? Let's start to solve the addition problem. We know this is ones, this is tens. This is ones, these are tens. Okay? Here is 7 and here is 6. Here is 7 and here is 6. 7 and 6. How much? Do you know? Yes, I know. All of you know. So, let's start and solve. Here we can write 7 and here we can give 6 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how much? 7 and 6. 7 here I already 7 already written there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is equal to how much? 13. How much? 13. From 13 we should have to write here only 3. How much? 3. And 1 is in my hand. Where is 1? In my hand. So we'll join 2 and 1 is equal to 3. 2 and 1 is equal to 3. And we know very simple 3 and 1 will be 4. 3 and 1 will be 4. Very simple, isn't, my students? Okay. We are going to next one. Here is 5. Here is 8. Once is 5 and 8. 5 and 8. It is a long term. So we should write here 5. And we can give there 8 sticks. How many sticks, student? 8 sticks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? Again we can write 5, 5, 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is equal to 5. After 5 number is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again we can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Total is equal to 13. From 13 we should have to write here only 3. How much here? 3. And 1 is in my hand. Where is 1? 1 is in my hand. We'll write here very shortly here. 3 and 1, how much? 3 and 1 will be 4. 3 and 1 will be 4, students. 4 and 1 will be 5. Isn't easy? Very easy, right? Okay. Here another problem. This is very known to you. This is our very familiar. And there is one, there is tens. There is ones, there is ten. We know 7 and 0. Very simple. 7 and 0, how much? 7. There is no carrying in my hand. There is nothing in my hand. So 5 and 1. 5 and 1 will be 6. Okay, students? Okay. Now, our subtraction problem. This is the subtraction. We know which subtraction sign. This is subtraction sign. Subtraction is very important in our life. So, we have go again. Here is ones, there is tens. We have called this ones, this is tens. Subtraction is less. Subtraction is less from the elder to younger. So, here is 4 and here is 9. Here is 4, here is 9. We know 4 is smaller and 9 is greater. 4 is smaller and 9 is greater. So, we can't less from 4, 9. We can't less from 4, 9. So, we should take another number from 3. We should take another number from 3. Here 3, and if we take from 3, it will be 14. It will be 14. From 14, we can less 9. From 14, we can less 9. So, how can we less it? Here is 9, and we should have to count 14. We should have to count 14. We know 9 after number of 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, 9 after number is 10. We have to count till 14. 9 after number is 10, 11, 13, 12, 13, 14. How many sticks we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sticks I got? I got 5. So, we can write here 5. Students, we have take here 13, 1 from 3. We have take the 1 from 3. So, here 3 will be 2. Here 3 will be. Student, can you learn? We have learned. We have take one number from 3. This is the lane number. This is the lane number. We have taken 1 from 3. Now 3 will be what? From 3, if I less 1, it will be 2. It will be 2. So, from 2, if I less 1, from 2, if I less 1, it will be 1. Again, I am telling this problem. Here, now I am going to next problem. Here, ones is 2 and 4, and tens are 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We know 2 is smaller and 4 is greater. So, from smaller, we don't cut the greater one. So, how can we solve the problem? From 4, we should have to lend 1. From 4, we should have to lend 1. And it will be 12. Then it will be 12. From 12, if I cut 4, is it possible, dear? Yes, we know. Is it possible? It's possible. From 12, if we cut 4, how much we get? Okay, here we are writing the smaller number and we should count the greater one. Greater one is 12. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again here 12 and we should cut 4. Now we are giving the smaller one and we will have to count till 12. 4 after 4 number is 5. 4 after number is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 and 4. Okay, now how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 after number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sticks. 8 sticks. And we have taken here from 4. So 4 minus 1. It will be 3. It will be 4 minus 1. It will be 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. It will be 1. Okay, dear? Is it clear? Okay. Okay, students. Now, next problem. Next problem is very easy. You know that here ones, 8 and 6. Here tens, 2 and 1. Ones is 8 and 6. Tens are 2 and 1. From 8 is greater and 6 is smaller. From greater we can less smaller. Smaller we can write here smaller one, and next we should have to count till greater one. Greater is 8. 6 after number is 7. 8 how many? Only 2. From 8 if we cut 6 we can get 2, and here we don't lend anything from 2. So here from 2 if I cut 1 we get only 1. That is very simple. Okay. Okay, dear students, this is day 1 and this is the homework for today. Do this addition. Here is 1 addition, 2 addition and 3 additions, and here is, okay, our class is almost over. This is day 1. We have almost finished our day 1 classes. So today's date is 10th May. Our homework is addition 1 and next subtraction. Here 1, 2 and 3. 3 subtraction problem, and you must have to do at your home and you will show me after opening the school. So this is our last. This is the finishing of our class and we will meet again after the next class. Okay? Goodbye all. Stay safe, stay home and see you next class.